In this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to Depop. Open your Depop app and tap on My Depop at the bottom of the screen. Then, at the top right, tap the three-line menu and select Preferences. This is where all your payment settings are managed. Here you can see your connected payment methods, including PayPal. For demonstration, I'll disconnect my PayPal account first. Just tap Disconnect PayPal and confirm. Now, to reconnect or add PayPal, tap Connect PayPal. A prompt will appear. Enter your PayPal email and password, review the terms, then tap Agree and Continue. Once connected, your PayPal account will be ready to receive payments from your Depop sales. Remember, only verified PayPal accounts can receive payouts, so make sure your account is set up correctly. Keeping everything linked through Depop ensures your payments are secure and trackable. And that's how to connect PayPal to Depop.